In 2023, the clock started ticking. The prediction was precise. By 2026, AI wouldn't just assist developers, it would replace 80% of us. Jensen Huang said it. CEOs bet millions on it. But we're approaching that deadline and something weird is happening. Companies aren't firing engineers to hire bots. They are frantically hiring humans to fix the mess the bots made. The AI replacement narrative didn't just fail, it backfired. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why AI hit a wall it can't climb and what the actual job market looks like for you in 2026. Remember Dedon, March 2024. It was marketed as the first AI software engineer. The demos were terrifyingly good. It could pull a ticket, write code, and deploy it. But when real teams tried to drop these agents into production code bases, they choked. Why? Because demos are sterile. They're isolated hello world apps. Real software engineering isn't writing new code. It's digital archaeology. And this brings us to the first of the 3 AI killers. LLMs suffer from what I call the goldfish problem. Sure, Gemini and GPT-5 have massive context windows. You can feed them a million tokens, but reading a million lines of code isn't the same as understanding the web of dependencies between them. When you ask an AI to change the login button color, it does it perfect. But when you ask it to refactor the authentication flow to support OAuth 2 while maintaining legacy session tokens for the 2018 mobile app, it hallucinates. It forgets file B while editing file A. The result? Code churn. A 2025 study showed that AI-generated pull requests had a 2x higher rejection rate than human code. We weren't coding faster, we were just reviewing bad code faster. The second killer is something no algorithm can fix. Clients don't know what they want. AI is a literalist. If you ask for a bridge, it builds a bridge. It doesn't ask, is this bridge for cars or pedestrians? Is it in an earthquake zone? A senior engineer's job isn't writing syntax, it's interrogation. It's looking a product manager in the eye and saying, if we build it this way, the database will crash on Black Friday. AI lacks the intuition to predict disaster. It only predicts the next token. So, was the hype a lie? No, but the outcome was wrong. We didn't get a robot butler that does our job. We got a power drill. Before power drills, carpenters spent hours hand cranking screws. Now they do it in seconds. Did we fire all the carpenters? No, we just started building bigger, more complex houses. The barrier to entry for coding has dropped to 0, but the barrier to engineering has skyrocketed. The juniors getting hired in 2026 aren't the ones who can write a function. They're the ones who can orchestrate 3 AI agents to build a microservice and then fix it when it breaks. The replacement didn't happen. The evolution did. If you're sitting there worried that it's too late to learn to code, stop. The industry is desperate for problem solvers, not syntax typists. So, how do you actually become that AI-proof engineer? I broke down the exact tech stack you need to focus on in this video right here. Forget the hype. Learn the systems. I'll see you in the next one.